it last time, this bit. We went towards Upping, didn't we, and then put across. Yes, we did. Well, we didn't go this way because we didn't realise the road. Well, we're about 50 miles, so we're just over halfway to Mablethorpe on our journey, and it's 11:30, and we're having a biscuit break, one of these small biscuits, you know, they're only a little one. I've got one of those, and coffee, and so we're about halfway on our journey, and we've stopped up this lay-by before, but not telling you where it is because it's ours. Well, he was doing really well with the journey, but not sure what's happened. It looks like there's a car in the hedge. Police are there, and there's like a recovery vehicle, and we'd stop now because the other road's closed. So probably road works, isn't it? And then we've got this one. Anyway, switch the camera off. Well, we arrived at Mablethorpe. We had the detour for the road works, and then there was that accident, and it was a car hit a telegraph pole or a power cable pole, demolished the pole and cables down as well. So we were stuck there for a while. Just going for a walk, and campsite is fairly busy, and we're not on the same pitch as we was last time, but you can see the wind farm going in the distance. It's a bit breezy, and I'm going to go and see my sister about 6 o'clock tonight and catch up with the family. And Jane's just faffing about. We've got the electric bikes with us, got those chained up and covered up under a tarpaulin. What are you doing, dear? What are you up to? Looking for your socks? Oh, I have seen some socks.
Yeah, I can put one there.
Well, what do you do?
I do.
You don't put...
my stockings.
Well, I can't help you with that.
Another pair, because I can't find
You're not going to have mine.
them. I don't want you one.
Nicking my clothes. Just come out the campsite, which is the Camping and Caravan Club, Mablethorpe. I think it's Church Lane. It is. And we're walking into Mablethorpe to have a quick look at the sea, and then, as I said earlier, head to my sister's and catch up with the family. I'll try and find our way through the woods and down through Mablethorpe. Oh look, they are digging and making an entrance here, aren't they?
Just be part of the same complex.
Yeah, it is. We're extending it. Yeah. Well, we just walked through the town, and the temperature,
Yeah, I think it's the humidity.
the humidity, it's just like walking through treacle. And we're just finally down at the beach, and it's a bit fresher, isn't it? But most people have gone home this time of the day. It's what, 20 to 5, and it's a breeze. And you say you're knackered, aren't you?
Yeah.
So we're on the seafront. Tide's out, yeah. The sand's lovely, isn't it? Very fine sand. Well, we've been through the town, we've had a look at the beach, and the weather suddenly changed, and it's raining. And we're in Queen's Park. Let's go across the grass. And it's overcast and grey. Well, I didn't want to walk near that lot. It's dry poo. Well, it's still over the pavement as well. You just take your shoes off. And it's raining. You've got your raincoat on. We're getting wet. Yeah. Ugh. You ever been attacked? Hopefully they're used to people. God, it's raining now, isn't it? Just walking back from my sister's, and we've got the sun going down that way. You just see it on the screen, and then we've got the moon just coming out just there. Look at that, it looks low down, doesn't it? Yeah, the sky. Yeah, it's coming out though, I might get a bit. And directly in front is where the campsite is here, and there's all the wind farms, a wind farm. And we're losing the sun over there. And the wind farm is just here. Ooh. Can't think where we are. We're over there, aren't we, somewhere? Do you want the toilet block? No, switch this off, it's not going to come out, I don't think.